Hmm. Hi guys, how are you all? Good to see you last year. Missed you last week, right? Did I miss you last week?
Oh yeah, I wasn't here.
Yeah. But did you go over the recording?
I did for the class before that. I didn't get a chance for last week's. I
Did
will.
you understand? You're good? You're understanding it?
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay. I saw everybody's homework.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
the last 10 questions about they were kind of challenging for me, so I needed a bit of help with my mom.
Oh, okay. We
Is
can
can you
go.
can you go over some of them?
Same for me.
Oh, absolutely. I like this feedback. Let's go. Let's go there. Okay, I'm not going to go into new topics. New topics is transformation that I plan to do only next week. I want to finish more of parallel
Miss
perpendicular line.
Priya,
Mhm.
I'll be leaving to India tomorrow. Just
Okay.
wanted to tell you that.
Okay. Yeah, your dad did tell me,
Okay.
but Nikita, tell me, you're not planning to attend from there, huh?
I will try. Well, I mean,
Uh, it'll be 5. I don't know how your sleep schedule is, but yeah, let me know. Let me know what you are planning to do. Is that okay?
okay. Yeah.
Nidhi, did you do the homework, ma?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did? I didn't see yours.
Yeah, I saw your comment. I realized that I forgot to turn it in.
Oh, see, I told you. I was right. Good job. Okay. I feel proud. But you need to submit the PDF, right?
Did I not?
Not that I saw. You know why it might be? Did you submit it?
Yeah, I did.
You did? Okay, then did you did you click on turn in?
Yeah, I did.
Hmm, that doesn't go together. Let me see. It doesn't really go together. Let me see. Maybe I didn't see. Interesting though. You know what? When did you submit?
I submitted it like 10 minutes before class because I saw your
That's the deal. Okay, no problem. Okay, yeah. Jay, you had questions like, right?
Yeah, I think I had a couple.
Did you have questions on the homework or on the test?
One on the homework, and then I think I got one wrong on the test.
Test was okay for me, for you. Okay. Anvi, how was the test, Anvi?
It was a little hard.
It was a little hard. Okay. With I really want to understand with you, Anvi. Uh, the homework is easy?
No, not
Okay, no
really.
problem.
I
No, not.
I take help from my mom.
Oh, you take help from your mom. That's the deal. Okay. When you do the homework, you take help from your mom. Is it? See, I had commented that in your homework. Did you see that? Are you taking?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it. Okay, good. Okay, maybe sometime I want to talk to your mom. Okay, what sort of
Okay.
help you're needing and where I really want to understand, okay, with you.
Okay.
Because I saw the test too. Uh, I don't know. I want to understand something. Okay, ask your mom to ping me. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And Akshara, I noticed that you did your homework, but you asked the same questions in class. So that put me off a little bit, Akshara. See what I mean?
Yeah.
What is going on is homework had all the questions, but when I ask the same questions in class as review, reproduction is becoming a problem. So we need to see where the real problem is with you. Make sense? How was the test, Ma?
I did a test, but I kind of ran out of time.
Oh, time is a problem. I see. Okay, that's okay. Let time be a problem. It'll always be a problem. That's okay. Um, 1 second. I really want to analyze your responses. Okay, the highest score you want highest score was 100%. Wow. Okay. Highest score was 100% in the test, and then there was also a 96%. Other than that, things were okay. Let's see. Oh, there were okay, then there was a 90 as well. Okay, that's good. Uh, okay. I just want to go over the missed questions in the test first of all. Okay. Let's see. Who ran out of time? You said who all ran out of time?
I ran out of time.
I
I
ran out.
Me
too.
too.
Like
Yeah,
I
same.
had like 5 minutes left, so I had to review faster.
1 minute. Who ran out of time? Can you raise your hands? I really want to see where speed is a problem as well. Who ran out of time? You can use raise hand button. That's the best way in a Google class in a Zoom class. This helps me a lot. Okay. So you're all running out of time. Okay. 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 Are you timing your homework, guys? Or you do
Um,
it
I
whenever?
tried doing my homework, but it was kind of difficult.
Hey, Vikya, did you take the test?
Yeah, I took the test. I ran out of time though.
No, you didn't submit.
I forgot to submit it, but I took the test.
How will I know, Vikyat?
I'm sorry. Yeah, that's my bad.
Nidhi, did you? No, yeah, Nidhi submitted the test. Nidhi, you did good. Okay, Ishan is not in here today. Where did he go? Oh my goodness. Okay, Nidhi, I need to see.
Auntie, I submitted the test.
Uh, one second, guys. Okay, I really wanted to understand. Nikita, how was the test, ma?
It was a little bit difficult.
A little bit difficult. Okay.
I wasn't able to finish
Can
in
you,
time.
yeah, can you talk to your dad and ask me to ask him to ping me?
Yeah.
I just want to understand what we need to do. Okay. And then, okay, Ishan is not here. Johan, how was it? I'm seeing your scores as well. I did see everything as well, but how was it, Ishan?
Hmm?
Johan, how was it?
It was a little bit tough. I was kind of scared that I might run out of time, so I had to rush a little.
Oh, okay, okay, guys. We have to practice for speed, okay? Then only your standardized test will be easy. Make sense? That is the intent, not to penalize you. Okay, I don't mind giving more time. Do you want to go over the test or your homework first? Which one do you want to do? Anybody wants to review the test? Lasya, you need to catch up, ma, and finish the test.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. I would like to review at least a few questions based on what is missed by many of you. 20, 23 to 25. At least that I want to review. Can we do that? Let me see. Let me bring up the form. You need the Google form, right? I will bring up the questions. What is that? Geometry, right? Okay. Let's do that. Yes. Geometry. Okay. 2023, I said, right? 20. Okay, how about this? I'm going to put the question on the board. You're going to tell me what is difficult. Oh, okay. I know. I know why this was difficult. Okay, because maybe you guys did not know what was perpendicular. I don't know, guys, but let's see. I'm going to put it out on the board and I'm going to share my screen. You guys are going to solve. One of you will explain. Can I ask one of you to explain? Based on your performance, I can ask, right? That way we are very clear with where we are missing. This is question number what? I forgot. Oh my gosh. Question number is this. Okay, 20. I also want to do 23. I know, okay, I know where we are all missing. See, these sort of the questions is what I saw several of you missed actually. I understand why there is a problem. Let's see. Now, can I say whom I want to explain? Vikyat, would you be able to explain this?
Which one?
This question.
Yeah, which one would you like
The
like me
first
to
one?
explain?
First one.
The first one?
Point M is on the midpoint of the segment. So how will you find the point M?
You have to first do oh, okay, so you have to find like the slope of like the original line segment. So so y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1, right? So I don't have my notebook with me. I remember doing this problem.
That's okay. You
So
just need to explain. So go
yeah,
ahead.
so that means -9 minus 3 and 7 minus -5.
Okay, 1 second, guys. 1 second. 1 second, guys. Viju, I didn't see that you're here, Viju. Are you here?
Yeah, I am very much, Priya. I
Sorry,
don't want to disturb your class. That's why I just sent a message to you.
sorry, I just saw.
Okay?
Yeah, I will create the breakout room now.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I'm so sorry. Did she come?
She'll be late by 5 minutes, so no
Sorry.
problem.
Yeah, just 1 second, guys. Let me do this for them. Assignment. Priya. Okay, open all rooms. Did you get the invite?
What?
Vijesh, did you get the invite? Okay, they are gone. Okay, that's fine. So let's go ahead. How do you do it? Now, Anvi, you can go ahead and explain now. How did you do, Ma?
So I put in the values. I put in like for x2, I put 7 plus 5 divided by 2.
7?
9,
7 plus 5, huh?
yeah, and then negative 9 plus 3. Oh, sorry, minus 3.
Negative
Because
9? Okay,
minus
okay.
3.
Okay. What is the formula first?
x2 minus x1 divided by 2.
Okay. X2 minus X1 divided by 2. Y2 minus Y1 divided by 2. Here X2 is minus 9 minus... you tell me. How do you do this? Go ahead. What values did you plug in?
It's so negative 9
Mm-hmm.
minus 3, and then 7,
9 minus 3.
3, and then
And
7 plus 5, because negative plus negatives.
6 comma minus 6. Did you get that?
Yeah, I think so.
But Jay, what did you get?
I used the slope formula. I did y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 to get the slope of that line, and then I made it into a reciprocal, and then I got the slope of the perpendicular line.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Ma,
Yeah,
first
same.
of all, Anvi, the midpoint formula is correct, huh?
Wait, Miss Priya, I don't think it's supposed to be. I don't think it's related to the midpoint here. It's just
What
about
is...
the slope of the other line.
Yeah, that's true. But is the midpoint formula correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, really? Let me see. This is 1. This is 5. How do we find the midpoint? Do we do this? What
You
is
do.
it?
I think you would do
We do
5 plus 1 divided by 2.
Well, it's
yeah.
x1.
What do we do?
1
Oh,
plus
it's x1 plus
divided by 2.
x2. X1 plus x2.
X2 plus X1 by 2, Y2 plus Y1 by 2. That's what I wanted. So we do 5 plus 1 by 2, which is 3, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see it? You can do yourself. You don't have to by heart the formula. Put small numbers and see. You'll get the formula. You don't need to use the formula as is. So here, what do you do? This is incorrect, right? If that's the case, then what do you do? Minus 5 comma 3, 7 comma minus 9, right? Minus 5 plus 7 by 2, and then minus 9 plus 3 by 2. Okay, so that will be 2 by 2, and then minus 6 by 2. So minus 3, 1 comma minus 3. 1 comma minus 3 is somewhere here. 1 comma minus 3. Now, that is a midpoint, but point M is the midpoint of the segment connecting. Okay, I have that. A line perpendicular to the segment passes through M. Okay, what is the slope of the perpendicular line? So, what is the slope of the perpendicular line? You don't have to find the midpoint as it is. You just need to find the slope as they all said. So, what is the slope of that line? Y1 minus Y2 divided by X1 minus 9, 10, 11, 12 divided by 12 minus 1. So what is the reciprocal of this? They are perpendicular, means perpendicular lines. This is the line for which the slope we need to find. But this is our line whose slope is minus 1. So the slope of our line, this line, is the negative reciprocal of this. What is a negative reciprocal? Negate
1.
it, plus 1, and reciprocal it. Reciprocal is 1 by 1. Again 1 by 1. So 1 is your answer. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Anvi, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, I realized my mistake now.
No problem at all. See, to learn, we come here. Absolutely okay. Vikya, did you get it? Kavin, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, let's go ahead. How about the next one? Who's going to explain this to me? I really would like to have. Who would like to explain? Any volunteers? It was good to see you. You were test, Nidhi. Good job on the test. Point P is 3 by 5 of the distance C. That's why I said here A, B. A is x1, comma y1. B is x2, comma y2. As I said, right? How do we find half the distance? What do we do? See, when we want to find 1/3 of the distance, right? What do we do first? Let's see. You have 3 here, 6 here. I want to find 1/3 of the distance. 1/3 of the distance is this point. Just a number line with 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to find 1/3 of the distance. So what do I do first? What do I do? First,
You would do, I think you would do 6 minus 3.
yeah, 6
And
minus
then,
3 I do. I subtract the endpoints, right? Same thing
yeah.
here. So x2 minus x1. Okay, and after that?
And then you would divide that
I
by,
get a distance of 3. I get a distance of 3.
yeah.
But get a distance of 3, but then I get that distance. That's fine. And then what
So
do I do?
3 units means that that's the distance between the two
Yeah,
endpoints.
so
So if you
find out
needed,
1/3 of the distance. Go ahead.
yeah, if you need to divide it into 3 equal parts, you would do 1/3 times 3.
Exactly. I need to find 1/3 of the distance. Then only that's 1/3 point. So that will be equal to 1 unit, I know.
And then
So
you would do the starting point plus the 1 unit.
exactly, I need to add my starting point. You get it? So that's the same thing you'll do here. x2 minus x1. So I found out the distance. Then what do? I find out 3/5 of it. Right? 3/5 of the distance I found. Now, after finding 3/5 of the distance, I have to add it to the starting point, right?
Yeah.
Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Did that make sense? So now how do we do that? x1 plus 3 by 5, or I can call it 0.6 x2 minus x1. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, it's nicely written. Do you see it? You add the starting point after calculating 3/5 of the distance. Does that make sense?
So what was the answer on number 23? That was what I got wrong.
Number 23, you tell me. That's a good question to you. What is the answer? So similarly for y, you do the same thing. y2 minus y1 is your distance. You find 3/5 of the distance and add it to your starting point. You got it? So what is the formula? What is the answer?
Um,
Can one of you help him? Which is the answer? Anvi, you know Anvi? You feel free to, ma.
It's the second one.
Yes, it's the second one. Darsh, are we on the same page?
yeah. Okay, I understand that it shows both of the ways to get it.
Oh, okay, good. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Akshara, did you get it, ma? Okay. Now, any other questions? Those two I wanted to discuss. I also have a few more. I don't know if you would like to discuss or not. Akshara, you did not get that right in the test. Did you see that? Question number 20 and 23.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. Ishan, we are who's excited weirdo?
Oh, that's my email.
Okay, ma. That's what I wanted to know. Nidhi, I did not. Yeah, I got it. I was so used to that, but I did not know who it was.
Did you get my test?
What, ma?
Did you get my test?
Whose test?
Someone be.
Samanvi. I saw. Did I not reply to you by email?
I think you did. I just didn't check it.
I thought I replied. Yours was amazing. I replied. I definitely know that I replied. See? I replied.
Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't check it.
No problem. Did you see now? Yeah. Hmm. Okay. I really want to discuss at least one more because see, I'm discussing based on whoever missed the most questions. So 2023 we did. Number 2 and 25, what was difficult, guys? 2 and 25. 2 and 25 pushes me a lot. What is that 2 and 25? Let's discuss what is 2 and 25. Give me a minute. Give me a second. 2 and 25. What was the question on 2 and 25? I don't know, guys. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, let's see. Interesting. Okay, 2 and 25. 2. Okay, guys, I really want you to try this and send the answer to me. This one, because several of you have missed this. Go ahead. On a number line, point A is at that, point B is at this. If the midpoint of the segment is 11, find all the possible values of x. Can we try? Go ahead. On a number line, point A is at x square plus 2x and point B is at 14. If the midpoint of the segment is 11. Okay. Kavin, would you like to explain this? Or Nikita, would you like to explain this?
I'm about to finish solving it.
Sure.
I haven't finished solving yet.
No problem. Who wants to explain? You can explain. It's not to penalize, guys. It's just to make sure all of us understand and move on. That's all. Done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can
Yeah,
you send?
finished.
Yeah, I just finished.
Chitra, you can join the breakout room now. Go ahead. On a number line, point A is at x square plus 2x and point B is at 15. If the midpoint of the segment is at 11, find all possible values for x. Did you get it? Am I not seeing the answers? Yeah, I do. Good job, Akshara, Samanvi, Vikyat, Ishan, Johan, Darsh. I don't think we need to keep doing this, I think. Okay, let's move on, guys. I didn't get some answers. I'm just going to move on. Or should I wait? Please stop if you
Wait,
want me.
what did you say to me?
Everybody
Wait,
got
what
it.
did you say?
Whoever answered got it right.
Oh. Can I like rejoin? It says like my network's not running really well right now. Can I rejoin?
Sure. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go ahead. So for this week, I have prepared something for you all. I want to finish that. It's more on parallel perpendicular lines. The last section of last week's homework was difficult, is what I heard. Correct?
Yes.
In the last section of the last Akshara, what did you think about the last section of last week's homework? And Johan, what did you think about it?
Oh, it was a little hard for me.
Would you, Johan?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of? Okay. Tell me about this, guys. Which one was difficult? The tier D, huh? Was the tier D hard?
I found
Tier
I found
E.
I found tier C a little hard.
Yeah.
Which one was hard? Tell me, which one shall we discuss?
Tier C.
Tier C. Was there a problem that you want me to discuss, or can I discuss on my own accord?
I was stuck on 20.
Yeah.
20.
Like I was stuck on like what does vector mean?
Okay. Okay, that's nice. That's nice to bring up things like this. Let me tell you. Segment AB is one side of a square. You know what? When I'm given problems, as I said, hey, Arya didn't come to class today. Oh my goodness. Why? 1 second, guys. Arya, why he did not come? 1 second, guys. I don't want somebody to be forgetting sitting there and stuff. Nobody will deliberately miss the class. Okay. Let's go ahead. I want to explain. What did I do? Okay. Let's go ahead and explain that problem. We wanted to do 20, right, ma? A is minus 1, comma 0. B is 4, comma 2. If I were you, I would do this. First, I want to understand what's given. Build one possible square on this side by rotating the side vector 90-degree counterclockwise. Okay, if you rotate this 90-degree counterclockwise, what is counterclockwise? This is clockwise, right? So this is counterclockwise, right? You're going to rotate it counter. Does that make sense, guys? You're going to rotate the vector counterclockwise 90 degrees. So what would happen? Would it come like this? This would come like this, right? You're going to rotate it anti-clockwise, right? Okay, now what are they asking? Find C and D. Oh, you just need to find C and D. Okay. Then classify the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Wait. Find C and D, then classify quadrilateral. Build one possible square on this side by rotating. Samanvi, did you do this problem as a part of homework?
Yes, I did.
How did you do? Do you want to explain to us?
It's a question 23,
Mm-hmm.
22.
Did you already know transformations?
My dad helped me with that question, I think.
Okay. So did you transform the vector? Did you transform vector? See, here, this vector, right? Vector, where is that? Side vector means vector is nothing but a directional line segment. What is a directional line segment? Directional line segment. You know what a line segment is, right? Line segment is this. Line is this. Ray is this. A line segment that has a definitive direction is a directional line segment. Okay, we have the line segment AB as one side of the square. This line segment is being rotated counterclockwise. So this really comes to this side, right? So now we need to frame up the square. We need to find these two points in the square. Okay. Who else did this problem? Build one possible square on this side. Okay. The distance is going to be the same, right? What is this distance? Do you know what is this distance? Do you know how to find the distance? Nidhi, do you know how to find the distance? Nidhi, do you know how to find the distance?
Wait, so for which problem is this? H20?
Yama. Yes.
I'm not sure.
Okay. 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 What other problems were difficult? Let me see if you really need it. What other problems were difficult, ma? Akshara, you tell me one. H20 will do. What other problems were difficult?
I was stuck on 23.
23. A rectangle has a side AB with this. Okay. Neighboring side through B. Has a side AB. A neighboring side through B is perpendicular to AB and has a length. The x coordinate of C is 4. Find C and D, then class. Okay, great. Let's see. We'll do one or two more for this. Okay. Shall we do 20 and 23? Let me put it in the notes. Okay.
I have
Give me.
another one that I couldn't do.
Which one, ma? Go ahead.
Last two, 29 and 30.
29 and 30. Okay. The diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. Okay. Find D. Okay. Okay. 29 and 30, yeah? Okay,
Yeah.
copy everything. We'll copy everything. Hold on. It's a little cut off, right? Okay. I don't know why it's cut off like that. Interesting. Okay. 29 and 30, and then 20 and 23 you all said, right? Let's do that. Let's see. Hmm. I don't know if I'll have time for all the four. At least 2 or 3 we'll solve. Okay, that's good. So let me share what I copied. There is my copy. Okay. Let's go ahead with this. Need to go. Okay. Sure. Kavin, you can just put a message. Keep going. You don't have to wait. Okay. So we'll see 20 first. Oh, you don't have the workout solution. That's the deal. Okay, I got it. That's the deal. Okay. $20 rectangular square. Okay. 23. What did we do? Here I don't see why would you classify, because it's going to be the same thing. Okay, let's do from here. I'm going to redo this. Okay, 20. AB is one side of a square. A has -1, 0. minus 1 comma 0 is correct, and then b is 4 comma 2. B is 4 comma 2. Jay, did you solve all these problems in the homework?
No, I'm not sure. I know how to find the distance from A to B.
Okay, build one possible square by rotating the vector 90-degree counterclockwise. So this is going to be perpendicular. So I'll also think, guys, these are all critical thinking questions. Slope of AB will be equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So slope of AB slope is the slopes of these two lines. So you'll get the equation of the line. You'll get the equation of this line, equation of this line. Okay, let's find out. I need to see. I don't know. Let's see. AB slope is this one, and then perpendicular slope. Perpendicular line slope is, what is the perpendicular line slope coming here? These are, see, this is AB, this is C, this is D. BC is one line perpendicular to AB. AD is another line perpendicular to AB. So what is the perpendicular line slope? Who can tell, guys? AB slope we know. What is the slope of?
Negative 5/2.
Negative 5 over 2. So that is the slope, right? Negative 5 over 2. Negative 5 over 2. But you know what? One thing I see is for this line, you know the slope and a point passing through that. Right? With that, what I'll be able to find, I'll find the equation of these two lines is very easy. You'll find the equation of those two lines. Yeah, let's find the equation of those two lines. AD. What is the equation of AD, guys? What is the equation of AD? Who's going to help me? Do you know what is the equation of line AD? We'll find the equation of line AD, we'll find the equation of line CB, and after that, what we can do to find these 2 points? It's going to be a square, so the distance has to be the same, right?
The equation is in like intercept form, right?
Yes. Can you all find the equation of AD? Can you all find the equation of BC? I really want to get that in chat. We are doing step by step. Equation of line AD and CB. Can you find it for me? That you know, guys, because that's the perpendicular slope. Slope I have written down. Point I have written down. This is from your algebra 1. So go ahead and find the equation of line AD and BC quickly and tell me. Can you do that for me? Oh, Akshara, have you learnt about rotation reflection of lines in your 7th grade? 7th, 8th grade, 7th grade.
Yeah, I have.
You've learnt about it?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you reflect a point, you know what is the change? 90-degree counterclockwise. Last year, do you remember? Samanvi, do you remember? Do you remember, guys? Guys, I'm asking.
Is it negative x and then y stays the same? And x
I'm
negative?
asking about 90-degree counterclockwise.
Yeah.
That that would be 270 degrees clockwise.
Yeah, that's right.
Is it x plus negative? Like no. X comma negative y.
Is it x comma negative y? Negative y comma x, right? If you rotate
Oh
something.
yeah.
Okay. So this involves transformation. Why don't I take this problem once we resolve transformation in geometry as well? Next, I said right at the start of the class, the next unit by mistake, see, I have added that into this. But is it okay if we resolve this soon after we discuss rotational transformations in the next unit? So that way you will be better prepared to answer this, I feel. See, I'll tell you, that is an easier way, but finish this. At least give me the equations of AD and CB. Give me the equations of AD and CB. I don't want to just like that keep moving.
Do you have to give the equations in slope-intercept form with the y-intercept as well?
I would like to have it in slope-intercept form, correct? With what, Darsh?
What?
I just want it in slope-intercept form, both the equations.
Okay.
Okay.
With
So it's
the
I just posted my slope in the chat. I didn't know you had to find the y-intercept also.
But slope we found out, Ma. -5/2 is the slope.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. CB is -5/2. Plus, how did you find the intercept? So x plus b. So you substituted x as -1. So 5/2 and then 0. Oh, AD is equal to. I am confused. Okay, so let's see. Y equal to mx plus b minus 5/2 x plus b. So what happens is -1 comma 0, right? This becomes 5/2 comma 0. Hey, Kavin, would it not have a y-intercept? Y-intercept is not 0, right? This is x-intercept, Kavin. Y-intercept for this line is not 0, right?
Oh, okay. Now I get it.
See what I mean?
Yeah, now I realized.
So for CB, what are you saying? This is 4, 2 or 5, 2? 4, 2.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
So now equation of the perpendicular line is, we found out the slope, minus mx plus b equal to y, minus mx plus b minus 5/2. Well, let's see your answers. I am wondering if I can help you find the equation. That is right, Nidhi. Good job. Did you see they have same slopes? Did you all get that? Yeah, if we can understand transformation, then this problem becomes easier. J got it. Okay. Johan. Johan, that's right, Johan. Others, I really need the answer. If you don't know, just say you don't know. That's as well fine for me.
Yeah, I'm stuck. Can you explain it?
Equation of the perpendicular line?
Yeah.
Where are you stuck? Tell me.
Like I can't. I don't understand how like to find the slope of the AD and CB.
Oh, you don't know how to find the slope of AD and CB?
Yeah.
See, you know the slope of this line, right? These two are perpendicular lines, right? So their slopes are both the same, but then find the slope of this line. The slope of this line is a negative reciprocal of that, right? Darsh, did it make sense?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this you need to definitely know rotations. Otherwise, you can't solve properly. Okay, anyway, we'll finish with finding the slope of those lines and then I'll come back. I'll mark and come back when I do the unit 2. Yeah. Suppose if the question would have asked that this point is at 0, comma 0, then we could have solved it with your current knowledge in 7th grade. Since they gave it as minus 1, comma 0, you need to know the rotation, how it rotates if it doesn't rotate about the origin. So let's finish this problem with finding the equation of these two. But please send in the answers. I want to know what is the equation of those lines AD and CB. With that, we'll close. Does not matter if you're not able to do this problem based out of transformations. As long as you're able to find parallel perpendicular line slopes, it's great. I am a bit confused on the y-intercept. Okay, Nikita, I'm going to do it for you, Nikita. So, the slope of this line, do you know how to find, Nikita?
Yeah, you just reciprocate and then negate it.
Yeah. So the slope of this line is minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, right? How to write the equation of AD? AD is y equal to mx plus b, correct? M is minus 5 by 2x plus b equal to y, correct? A point on the line is minus 1, comma 0, right? Can I substitute that?
Okay.
0 will be equal to 5 by 2 plus b. B will be equal to minus 5 by 2. So substitute it back into the equation. AD equation will become y will be equal to minus 5 by 2 x minus 5 by 2. Make sense?
Okay, I see.
Why? Because this is a downward line. You have a negative slope and a negative y-intercept. Make sense? So would you be able to do this? The equation of
Yeah.
this line? Okay. Can I move on? Can I move on, guys? Okay. Let me see. I will try to do these problems as well. But I want to do what I planned for today, right? Let's see. Looks like you have a lot of, oh, where did I miss? Okay. Can we try this one? A rectangle. Okay, we did this. Okay, let's try this one. A rectangle. Okay, I want to draw, right? Minus 6, comma 2. Minus 6, comma 2. This is A. I will draw the coordinates anytime. B is 2, comma 6. Neighboring side of B. So this is B. Okay, neighboring side of B is perpendicular and has a length of square root of 20. The x-coordinate of C is 4. So 4 comma y is C, right? Find C and D. The quadrilateral is going to be, rectangle has side AB. Okay. Quadrilateral is going to be, what is this quadrilateral going to be? You tell me. Who can explain? What is this quadrilateral going to be?
A square?
Which one?
Sorry, a rectangle?
Why a rectangle, not a square?
Because it says it's a rectangle.
Because it said it's a rectangle. Okay, more you think about it, right? See, this side we don't know. What is the distance AB? How do you find the distance AB? You all know how to find the distance AB, right?
Yeah.
6 to the whole square plus 2 minus 6 the whole square, right? So this is 8 square. This is 4 square, okay, right? 16 plus 64, square root of 80. So this is square root of 80. This is square root of 20. Square root of 80 should not be written like this. 4 times 20, right? 4 times 4 times 5, right? Yeah. So this should be 4 root 5. This is 4 root 5. 20 can be written as 2 root 5. Yeah. So is this a rectangle or a square?
Rectangle. The
Yeah.
sides are different.
Yeah. Now, you have to find, how do you find this? How do you find this y coordinate? Let's
You
try
can
to find.
use
Go ahead.
you can use the distance formula.
Exactly. Y minus 6 the whole square. Y minus 6 the whole square. And then plus 4 minus 2 the whole
2 whole
square.
square.
Exactly
Is
is
equal
equal to 4
to
times 5. The square of this, right? So that becomes easy that way. However, it's not going to be that easy again. Let's see. 4 minus 2 the whole square is 2 square. 2 square is 4. It goes here equal to 0.5. Y minus 6 the whole square will be equal to a 0.5. So what does it mean? Take square root on both sides. Are we going to take square root? How are we going to solve this? Y minus 6 the whole square will be equal to, so y minus 6 will be equal to square root of 0.5. I don't want the square root of 0.5, square root of half maybe. Yeah, square 1 by root 2. So y will be equal to 6 plus 1 by root 2. I'm getting, oh my gosh. Can one of
I
you
did
check?
a different method.
Huh?
I did a different method. I did the
How did you do?
distance. So I did like the change in x, change in y, like as you progress. So then I got so it was like, and then the distance from x from A to B is the same as the distance from x and C to D. So
Yeah, but you don't have both the coordinates here, right? So what did you do for that?
for that I did
You don't know both.
I found the slope of AB, and then I found the slope of BC. And then so for the slope of BC, I did y minus 6 over
Wow.
2.
Did it become harder?
No, not really. Then after that, what do you call it? It was easier to find the like the other sides. So I did y minus 6 over 4 minus 2, and then I simplified that into y 6 over 2, and that was negative 2.
Okay. Go ahead and say once more. Looks like you have gotten it right as well. What did you do here? You connected these two, meaning this line with this
Yeah.
line with this, right?
Yeah.
So after this, what did you do?
After doing that, I found the so wait. Yeah, then I found the coordinates of.
how did you find the coordinate of C here? The y coordinate of C. You didn't want to use the distance formula that I did, right? Y minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 2 the whole square will be equal to 2 root 5 is nothing but 4 times 5. That's the problem. See, this is 4 times 5. This I found this was easy. 4 times 5 is 20, right? So take square root. If I take square root, what is this? This is 2 root 5. So y minus 6 equal to 2 root 5. So I'm getting y equal to 6 plus 2 root 5. Something feels so wrong. Y minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 2 the whole square will be equal to 4 times 5, correct? 4 times 5. So 2 square is this 4. Okay, this is 16. I see, guys. Okay, let me show you. Same, that's correct actually. This will be 2. This seems pretty easy to me. Let me show you quickly. See here. Simply apply the distance formula. We found out that this is 2 root. Oh, what is going on? I'm erasing everything. This is 2 root 5, right? So you have to find the y coordinate, right? I'm just applying the distance formula, guys. Y minus 6 the whole square, right? Plus 4 minus 2 the whole square will be equal to, what is this? 2 root 5 the whole square, which is 2 root 5 the whole square is 20, right? So y minus 6 the whole square will be equal to 20 minus 4, 16. Take square root on both sides. Y minus 6 will be equal to 4. So y minus 6 will be equal to, did we take it correctly? Y minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 2 the whole square will be equal to 20. Then we square, right? So we took square, you don't need to take square root, but 4 minus 2 the whole square is 2. So square root of 16, that's correct. That's 4. So I'm getting y will be equal to y will be equal to 10 or 2, ma?
2.
2.
2.
2.
Okay, like that, how do you find this one? This we need to see. This distance is again 2 root 5, right, guys? Then but again, you will not have both the coordinates. So you need to find the distance formula here. You need to find the distance formula here. So you will have two equations in two variables. Then you need to solve to get this. Okay. These are difficult questions, but it's important that we sit and solve all of this. So let's see. Let's take at least this one and do it fully. Let's do this alone. Rest of it we can do later. I'll bring it back again. Okay, I think these are difficult questions which you need to solve. Now, let's see. I'll do again slowly for those of you who did not follow. Samanvi, did you solve these questions?
Yes, I did.
Okay, nice. Did you understand and do?
I did.
Okay. A, B is 2, 6. Okay. Now, a neighboring side through B is perpendicular and has a length of a neighboring side through B is perpendicular and has side length of, even this is okay. If you draw like this, what happens? If the x coordinate of C is 4, here I made a mistake. C is 4. 4 means comma y. So here we need to find out first y, right? So just apply the distance formula. Difference in y, 6 minus y the whole square plus 2 minus 4 the whole square will be equal to 20. Now this would be 4, 20, 6 minus y the whole square plus 6 minus y the whole square will be equal to 16. Take square root on both sides. 6 minus y will be equal to 4. So y will be equal to 6 minus 4 will be a 2. Any questions, guys? So this y we have found it to be a 2. So C is 4, 2. Any questions here? Now, what we don't know, we'll finish up with this question. Okay, this is A comma B. If I say, see this distance, right? I'm going to write out the distance formula again. Okay, so how do I write out 2 minus B the whole square, y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 the whole square, right? That will be equal to 20 again. So what happens here? It's a little bit tricky here. Do you see? We are going to get this. And then the second one, right? Meaning you have A and B unknown, right? So now that I got C is 4 comma 2, right? I can again get another equation for this one. This distance was, what was this distance? Has a length of a neighboring side. So length of 20. We know. Okay, what is this distance, guys? Did we found out, right? What was that distance earlier? 6 minus 2 the whole square plus 2 8 square, right? This distance. I'm trying to find this
Square
distance.
root of square root 80. So 4 square root 5.
Square root of 80, right?
So 4 square root 5.
What was square root of 80?
4 square root 5.
Yep.
Oh,
6.
6.
4 square root 5, correct? 4 square root 5. So with that we can frame another equation here. What is that? 2 minus a the whole square plus 4 minus b the whole square will be equal to, this one is 2 minus a the, wait, 2 minus b the whole square, 2 minus b the whole square, then 4 minus a the whole square. 4 minus a the whole square will be equal to 80, right, ma? 80. Now, see, here 2 minus b is repeated. So you subtract both the equations. Directly, you got two equations, 2 minus b the whole square plus 4 minus a the whole square equal to 80. Here when you subtract both the equations, this gets cancelled. But what you have is minus 6 minus a the whole square. Then you're going to subtract, right? 4 minus a the whole square will be equal to, you're going to get a negative value. So, or I can substitute the other way as well. Okay, so I get a positive value. So that will be 60. Now it's not hard. Is it hard to do this? You all know how to solve quadratic equations as well, right? Let's see. Or can I square root it? If I say, yeah, you have to know quadratic equations, I feel here. So let's see how about this. 16 plus a square minus 8a will come here. This will be a quadratic equation you need to solve. Would you be able to do it? Take care of it and do it at home now after we have solved this. Any questions on this one? Did you get a quadratic equation, Samanvi, in solving this?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so you have to solve this quadratic equation to find a comma b. First you'll find a and then you'll go and substitute in any one of these two equations to find out the b value. Akshara, would you be able to take it forward and do it at home?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody, last year, was it hard to follow?
A little.
A little. Okay. But can you take it forward, solve it at home? At least 23 we solved, 20 we didn't. I said we'll do transformations and come back. The last two I did not solve, I know. We didn't do much. But then we worked on distance, parallel, perpendicular slopes. So this one I want to continue at home, meaning you are going to make it into a quadratic equation, solve this quadratic equation, get A, substitute A here and get the B. That will be the coordinate of point D. This is how you need to solve this. Now, I really would like to know what is, okay, solve this. This is a easy conceptual question, okay. What is the equation? With this we'll conclude. If you get this right, we can leave. Equation of the line perpendicular to, this is based out of algebra, perpendicular to y equal to 5 and passing through 1 comma 3. How do you solve this, guys? What is the equation of the line perpendicular to y equal to 5 and passing through 1 comma 3? Who is going to tell me? Send it in chat. This is the main concept I want to touch. Let's see. This one we learned actually in Algebra 1. So please draw the equation, draw the points. You will easily get the answer. This is to be solved mentally, guys. Hey Anvi, which one you don't understand how to find it, ma? The previous one?
29.
Okay, 29, I'll help you. 29, can I solve and send it to you after the class? I'll send you a WhatsApp message.
Yeah.
Okay, so why don't we finish this? What is the equation of the line perpendicular to what? This is a mental math question, not a thing to work out. How do you solve it mentally? Ishan, how do you solve it? Which is the equation y equal to 5? Can you draw it on the board, Ishan? Which is the equation of the line perpendicular to y equal to 5? Okay, which is the line y equal to 5? Just draw on the board. Come on. Yeah, y equal to 5. Where is the line? What is that line y equal to 5? It is a
Right here.
horizontal line.
Horizontal line, the slope is 0.
Yeah, that is a horizontal line. Y is always equal to 5. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now they are asking y equal to 5 is this line. They are asking the equation of a line perpendicular to it. So what will be the equation of that line? What format it will be? If it is huh?
I got the answer.
The x will be, this will be a vertical line, so
Yeah, it
undefined.
is a vertical line, so it has to be of the format x equal to, right? However, it passes through the point 1 comma 3 means it has to pass through x equal to
1.
yeah, because the line, right, this line, our line, right, passes through 1 comma 3. Let's say this is 1 comma 3. It passes through that line means its x value is always 1. You get it? So, equation of the line perpendicular means y equal to 5, I will choose x equal to, right? And then it passes through this point means I'll pick the x value from here. You all got it? Now, one last question, guys. It's okay. If you want to leave, you leave on time. But I want to ask one more question. See whether you understood it. Line perpendicular to x equal to 6 and passing through 3 comma 9. What is the equation? Please send it in chat. If you get it correctly, you can go. It's a mental math question. Line has to be perpendicular to x equal to 6. So what should be the format of the line? It passes through 3 comma 9 means you have the value of that there. Guys, did you get it? Nice. Jay, you can leave. Johan, you can leave. Kavin, I'm
Bye, Miss
waiting for
Priya.
your answer. Nikita, you can leave. Bye, ma. Have a nice week ahead. Kavin, good job. Nidhi, good job, ma. Saman, be nice. Akshara,
Bye,
nice.
Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. Lasya, nice, ma. Anvi, how, ma? Y equal to you have to pick up, right, Anvi? You picked up the X. You got it, Anvi? You got Y? No. What is the equation of the line? You have to write the equation of the line. Darsh, you can log off.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. What is the equation of the line? Take your time, send it to me. Vikyat, good job.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Nikita, can I help you, ma?
I just wanted to ask if you wanted to talk to my dad now or later.
I can talk to him now.
Okay. I'll go get him 1 second.
Yeah. Anvi, did you get it? Y equal to 9.
Yeah, but then, so would it be like, isn't it y equals mx plus b?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The line equation is mx plus b. Correct. But here these are very weird lines, right, ma? Y equal to mx plus b is correct. Okay, but this line does not have does not have y-intercept. If this line x equal to lines do not have y-intercept, right? Y equal to line will have y-intercepts, but this one is vertical and horizontal lines, right, ma? So x equal to 6. The line perpendicular is y equal to. When it passes through this, you have to pick this up and say y equal to 9, right? You want me to draw and show you 1 second, Nikita's dad. Anvi, did it make sense to you? No, not really, right? Okay. What is the equation of the line? Nikita's dad, 1 minute, please. Sorry about it. What is the equation of the line perpendicular to x equal to 6, right? X equal to 6 means this is x equal to 6, right? X equal to 6 is which line? This is the line, right? X equal to 6.
Yeah.
What is the line perpendicular to it? It has to be a horizontal line, right? It can be any horizontal line, right? But our line has to pass through 3, 9. Our line has to pass through 3, 9. 3, 9 is here. 3, 9. It has to pass through 3, 9. There has to be a horizontal line that passes through 3, 9. What is the equation of that horizontal line? What is the equation of this line? Any horizontal line, how do you write x? You write y equal to, right, ma? Y equal to, what is the value of y on that line?
9.
9, that's all. You got it?
Oh, okay, I get it. Okay.
You get it? Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Nikita's dad,
Yeah. Hey,
one
Priya.
second, hi, 1 second. I just want to stop the...